在西藏过夜露营遭遇了大雨，家人们谁懂啊？西藏昼夜温差也太大了，冻死我了。白天的时候还是阳光明媚呢，晚上下雨冷死。还好白天捡了很多燃料，晚上可以烧了取暖，弄得烧烤8件没熟，签子却熟了。家人们太惨了。
Maybe surrounded by a million people, I still feel all alone. Just wanna go home. Oh, I miss you. And I've been keeping all the letters that I wrote to you, each one a line or two. I'm fine, baby, how are you? Well, I would send them, but I know that it's just not enough. My words were cold and flat, and you deserve more than that. Another airplane, another sunny place. I'm lucky, I know. I wanna go home. I got to go home. Let me go home. I'm just too far from where you are. I wanna come home. And I feel just like I'm living someone else's life. It's like I just stepped outside when everything was going right. And I know just why you could not come along with me. That this was not your dream, but you always believed in me. Another winter day has come and gone away in either Paris or Rome, and I wanna go home. Let me go home. And I'm surrounded by a million people. I still feel alone. Let me go home. Oh, I miss you. Let me go home. Let me go home. It'll all be alright. I'll be home tonight. Another summer day has come and gone away from Paris or Rome, but I wanna go home. Maybe surrounded by